Hello dear students, welcome to history class. So today's topic is the history, so chapter number 5, when people rebel. It is for class 7th social science subject. So already we have in previous class we have completed the spread of the rebellion and the company fights back. These topics we have completed in previous classes. And today's topic is see here, aftermath. Aftermath means what here? It is after. When people rebel 1857 and after. So we have seen here in 1857 some rebels were happening all over the India. Okay, so we have seen in Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Odisha. So here 1857 here happens the first independence war. It is the struggle of independence, first war of independence. The people fought to the British. He started the all over India. Some great leaders come to and fought to the opposed to the Britishers. So by example, you know that Rani Lakshmi Bai in another place she fought, okay, and Tatia Tope. So he was also another side. He was gone and he was fight to the Britishers. So this like so many peoples like Bahadur Shah Jafar, Hazrat Mahal, okay, some Maulvi, so Alauddin. So this like so many great leaders started the war. It is the first independence war. So by example, Mangal Pandey also coming here, Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tatia Tope, okay. So it is the before of the 1857. So why they are fought to Britishers? So Indians want to, what they want? Independence. Even here started the fight for Britishers to oppose to, they started the struggle, peasants and sepoys. Okay. And this all happened in before 1857. And what is there after 1857? See here student. It is the story of after 1857. We have seen here, so all over India, so they have started the revolt mirrored to Delhi. They started the revolt mirrored to Delhi. Okay. And here our Indians were lost the battle here. Because how they lost the battle? Some Britishers were arrested, whom? Bahadur Shah Jafar and his wife Jeanat Mahal. And they sent to prison of, which prison? Rangoon prison. And Bahadur Shah Jafar was died there only. And next 1858 Lakshmi Bai, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai killed him, killed the Britishers, and also Tatia Tope also killed the Britishers. So this like our great leaders lost the battle and also our Indians lost this battle 1857. Then aftermath Britishers were planned here. What they planned? So before that East India Company, one company was ruling our country. For example, Reliance. You take one Reliance company. Our Reliance company, so it is went to America, and in there America our Reliance company was ruling. It is one company was ruling there. So that like East India Company, it is the British company So that company is ruling before the 1857. But afterwards, they were changed their plan. They called the territories of the England. They called the territories for the England. So great army persons, all officers, they called to India. They came England to India. And afterwards, British had regained control our country. British had regained again control our country in 1859. And they passed one new act, 1858. So what is the act that? That act is there, transferred the powers. British means East India Company, it is transferred to British, given to the British hand. Means it powers, it gives to East India Company to British Crown. Okay, so when East India Company was transferred to British Crown, here all British cabinet appointed the secretary. The secretary was British secretary. He was the England secretary. Britishers were appointed him secretary. Okay, and then he was the secretary of state for the India. He was ruling all India. And then he was given the council. So we are calling the council. Okay, British were given the council to him, secretary. So secretary was ruling state for India. Okay, and before 1857 we were calling Governor General. Okay, by example, Governor General Dalhousie, Governor General Wellesley. So this like we were calling. Then after the math, here all will be changed. Governor General given the title that Viceroy. Viceroy. Okay. So before calling Governor General, and after the math, means after the 1857 calling Viceroy. Then Viceroy means what? Personal representatives of the crown. Personal representative of the crown. And next, this viceroy or secretary means this British crown, means East India Company transferred to British crown. So that British crown all handle cabinet, that council of cabinet, that is secretary. And then the British crown passes the law. What is the law that? See here. Some their kingdoms ruling their heirs and adopted son also. But before 1800, means in 1857 and before 1857 not having this rule. You know that two British policies came, that is subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse. So we have seen the doctrine of lapse. The king was, when king was died, the adopted son was not ruling the kingdom. But that rule was changed here. Here adopted son also ruling here. They given passes the law that adopted son ruling the kingdom. And they made acknowledge the British Queen. But how? Before that, all soldiers, all peoples are under the Rajas, under the kings. Okay. So whatever rule passing for the king, whenever he was changing the rules that apply to all people, his kingdom. But after the British crown came, no, so this is not happening. So this all state of India is under the British Queen. It is under British Queen. All Indian peoples under the British Queen. And also Muslims, they were also ill-treated to the Britishers because they have the large lands. So here Britishers are not given the lands. And next one policies, you know that policy is subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse, and also you know that another one policy, that subsidiary alliance. Okay. So here landlords and jamindars. So that land were not taken the Britishers. This final decision were taken the British Crown. So jamindars or landlords only handle the jamins, their jamins or their lands. But before 1857, the jamindars or British were collected the high amount of revenues, but it is a cancelled here. When British Crown came here, it is a cancelled all. So it is about after the math, when after 1857, the Indian history was changed here. We have seen all will changed here. Okay. So it is a new phase of history began 1857, after 1857. Okay. So here till your all lesson is completed when people rebel after 1857. Okay. So you make points and write question answers. So one point you listen, student. PT3 exams are very near. So I am sending syllabus before one, means I am sending syllabus today or tomorrow. So you only prepare for the exam. I am not giving revision. Okay. So prepare it. Best of luck in your exam and do it well. And next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.